I had a friend of mine reach out to me on Facebook and said she had a friend that had some damage to her roof. She didn't really know what was going on. She just knew she was having issues. She seen a leak and knew the roof was old. So see, the roof has quite a bit of granule loss just from the age of the roof. So you're looking for, these isolated hail impacts, trying to separate those from just the shingles that have like this, where there's just a lot of granule loss just from the age of the roof. And then wind damage, you have a missing shingle there. Sometimes you can have them where you get the wind up underneath and it'll crease. Yeah, so anytime hail impacts the roof, the first thing that's gonna get damaged is any kind of soft metal. So this is actually a little bit thicker and you could see the impacts of what the hail did to the metal cover there. Any other soft metal, you're gonna have the same thing. And if you take the light, you can see the shadow from some of the dents caused from hail damage. There's a couple of nail pops here. Nail from the first layer of shingles that's just started to back out and worn its way through the top layer of shingles. This is common areas, people walking by, mowing the lawn, things get hit kind of lower. But when you see it up higher, nobody's hitting that with a rock from the lawnmower. So you're looking to see, is it consistent all the way up, not in the waist down. So they're all over. Did an inspection. Obviously the roof is old and needs to be replaced, but we actually found that there's quite a bit of damage that she was completely unaware of. She may be able to file a claim now. We might be looking at being able to get her all new siding, gutters, and a roof on her house.